Yo, what's up, guys? You know who it is? It's the Wolf. So we're on another video. Always analyze Nasdaq because that's how we make most of the money. And everybody loves Nasdaq, guys. Everybody loves Nasdaq. So let's give people what they want. All right. So please like and subscribe, guys, before we go any further, because it helps, man. Please, man. I'm begging you. Please. Back on the video, guys. Firstly, what we always do, we look to the higher time frame, and what do? Obviously, we look for the overall movement, what's been happening, so we can tell the market's been moving with an uptrend, but lately it's been moving with a downtrend. But now let's analyze and see what might be let's analyze and see what we might see is gonna happen in a few coming days. All right, so now let's check what do we have. And you can see this downtrend here, it seems like it's now tables are turning. It means it's done. You're gonna move for an upwards movement, but how sure are we? What if it doesn't? What if it's gonna continue moving downwards? And if it goes downwards, how far will it go? So let's analyze that and see what's going. All right, so let's get into it. First things, check our trend. Let's see. Like I've been showing y'all in the previous videos, this is our second touch, guys. This, we align them, meaning we're still on an uptrend, a major uptrend, meaning we're still gonna shoot up, guys. Still gonna go up. So like here, as you can see, the reason I say this is a second touch for the trend line is because remember the market structure, guys. Remember the market structure. The rules of a market structure is that on an uptrend, when expecting a reversal, for as long as your low is not broken, it means your structure is still intact. So here, at this case, our low is not broken. Yes, I said it. Our low is not broken. All right, look here. We have our structure. All right, this is our structure. You can see it, but let's put our levels and let me show you why I'm saying our low it is not broken. See, right there, this level I just put, that low is not broken, and that's our base low. That's our main low. For as long as it is not broken, it means our structure is still intact. Why is it the main? Because we have other lows. Yes, look here, guys. From at this point here, from 7,000 here, price 7,000. You see, from here, the market has been went up with a solid trend, with a solid upwards movement. Yes, it was solid upwards movement. It went so smooth. All right, and then from here at this point, what happened? The market started ranging a bit. All right, meaning the momentum now, the upwards momentum was no longer there. All right, but because the lows were not broken, that's why it continued going up. All right, see, it gave us this smooth ranging movement, ranging structure, and then what happened? It shot up. All right, so now again here, it gave us the very same thing. Started ranging and then shot up, and then again. So meaning this is our second main low. Okay, so let's put it. Let's put our low. Okay, so see what I'm saying? The structure is not broken. We're still going for an uptrend. This is our main low. Why? Because see, as it started to range like this, it started to move sideways and creating a wider structure. It means we are now expecting a wider trend. All right, and see, that's what happened. Here it was moving so smooth, it was so close together, and then here it started going wider, and then see from there, and then so meaning you can even measure trend from here, and then they're gonna align smoothly. But here to you're not gonna get a solid trend. So now let's check here, because we already have an idea that okay, this is our second touch, we are moving upwards. But this support here, which is now a resistance, it's very powerful, because it was a very powerful support. So now let's check it out. Let's check it out, guys. Okay, so first thing, we look for the main trend. So second thing we do, we move to about 4-hour time frame, and then we look for our current trend. We already have our main trend, and our main trend is telling us we're gonna shoot for an upwards movement. But we move to our smaller time frames and our current trend to see what's really happening. And as you can see, on our current trend, we've been having this downwards trend, this downwards movement. It's a downtrend. And then remember the market structure rules. For a downtrend, your main focus has to be on your highs. Your highs are more important. So let's check, because you use your highs to buy, you use your highs to sell, and then you use your highs to break structures. Exactly. So let's look it out. Okay, we have this smooth downwards movement. All right, so let's move to 4-hour, so you can see it clearly. See, we have two trends which are both downtrends. Okay, and then we're gonna look at this one which we've been having lately. All right, so where it started, we're gonna put a horizontal line, meaning it's our resistance, because it's gonna help us out to figure out whether we're gonna still continue with an uptrend or what's gonna happen. All right, that lot of drama that's gonna happen, we're gonna trap it right there. Okay, so now at this point, because we're at our trend line, and then you see at this trend line, the market gave us that move, okay, it's dramatic though, that double bottom like movement, and then it went up. See, now it's at our resistance line. So meaning there are possible movements here. There are possible movements, meaning the first movement is that the structure might push downwards. The structure might push downwards and then forget about us, and then break the structure up until it goes where it goes. But that's not what we want. That's not what we want. We want the structure to come here. So if it goes down somewhere here, and then get inside. It can play whatever drama it wants to play. Alright, play whatever drama it wants to play. We don't care, for as long as it goes to reach that point. That's what we want. And then we're gonna be looking out for it, because check out here, guys. We're talking about the market structure. The trend went down. All right, if I saw it higher, lower highs and lower lows. All right, check here. At this point, we have this level here, okay, which is support level, and then we have these lows here, these lows, these highs. So look at our structure. It broke both these highs, which they were very powerful, because you see it's a lot of touches, meaning market range from this point. We have a powerful resistance level, and then the market broke them, meaning we can also add another line here. You can also add it. See, it was a powerful resistance, and then it was broken, meaning it's our high, it's our lower highs. And remember, for a market structure, for a downtrend, if your highs are broken, it means the structure is reversing. We are expecting a reversal of trend. So another main trend here, it is here, because why? The market started ranging, guys. The market at this point, it ranged. So it's another powerful level. So the structure is not fully gonna reverse until this is also broken. So from here, we expect to go there, and then if it break, we know, okay, we are now, the structure is broken down. We are moving with a new trend. We are heading to reverse this whole trend. We are looking to reverse it up until here. And also from here, we're gonna be looking, if we break this level, because you see we have a range here. If we break it, we know now we are moving upwards, guys. We are moving upwards, and then that's gonna send us back to our main structure, meaning what's been happening, something like this. If we break here, we know we're gonna come back again, retest, and then we keep on going up. You see, something like that. So we now we have a solid uptrend, because it's 3 touches. This will be our 3rd touch. Okay, this is what we expect to happen from the market, guys. I hope you learned something, because I share some very useful information, guys. All you have to do is to pay a little bit of attention. I hope you did. All right, so that's how we analyze the market, guys. That's how market structure. Nothing beats market structure. It is more important, guys. Never forget it. Always, like, thank you, guys. Thank you for your time, man. Love y'all. Peace. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.